Upscale features, southern charm, and prime location are hallmarks of this 4-bedroom, 2-bath, end-lot home in the highly desirable Seabrook Plantation Community in North Myrtle Beach. Surrounded by ponds and lush landscaping, unforgettable water views and Lowcountry style define this house's unmatched character and heartwarming comfort. With its inviting front porch, Carolina room, and private scenic patio. This house features an open floor plan with study, formal dining, luxurious living room, and 3 of its bedrooms on the ground floor. The kitchen boasts plentiful cabinet space, granite tops, stainless appliances, a wall oven, and pantry with breakfast nook. The spacious ground floor master features 2 closets, double sink vanity, garden tub, and walk-in shower. And the large bonus room features generous walk-in storage. Special appointments include tray ceilings, crown molding, wainscoting, and hardwood floors. And additional amenities and upgrades include security and irrigation systems, 2-car garage, extra insulation and hurricane film, and extensive landscape lighting. Seabrook Plantation offers a clubhouse, pool and spa, and complete RV storage, and is right around the corner to everything the Grand Strand and Intracoastal Waterway have to offer, including the best shopping, golf, entertainment, and boating on the East Coast. Don't wait on this rare opportunity. Make your appointment today.